Hello guys, hello. Hope you all doing well as usual. Yesterday, I'm Mark, by the way. Welcome to this YouTube channel again. Uh, Yesterday I did a video on marketing, on AI marketing, so to speak. AI is French, so because I do French video as well on the topic, so I did a video on AI marketing yesterday, and that was an introduction to the business. So today I just decided to go through it again. Another phase of that, showing the document of AI marketing, and show you how to get the document as well. I will do another video. I will show you. This is the first topic. The second one, we will go to the back office and you will check. We have a look together what I got so far. Okay, without investing, I haven't financed my robot yet. So this is the document here. You can see. I will just go through it. You see AI marketing or AI marketing. If I say AI marketing, you should understand. I speak French as well, so it's not an excuse anyway. So AI marketing is a business dealing more on advertisement, and you have to finance. You give money to the robot or you finance your robot. The robot goes and do advertisement for you and bring in the cash back. So these are the company, for example, the robot is doing the advertisement for, right? So here, let me enlarge it a little. So this is it. In 2013, Oxford University has published a study estimated that within 25 years, 24% jobs are at risk of automation. So just a study, a survey. So this for example, we have a travel agent, ticket seller. All this we can do it through uh, through robot as well. You have scanner, whatever it is. We have AI marketing here as well, right? AI marketing. So 2017 we have here as well. Actually, this company was created. It started in 2017. So this is the document you can check. So from these are some survey from 18 something to let's say to 1920. To see how the market goes with the robot. Here they are trying to show us, like, today we use a robot to do almost everything we are doing, right? It's everything is computerized. So we can see even in supermarket now, even all this is based on robot. Look what is happening here. The robot, it's like kind of robot, right? We know all this, especially we are living in abroad, not in Africa. We know how all those things work. So this is an example to show what has happened. Because some people need to advertise for people to bring in things. So this is the problem. I will show you how to get the document. I'm going to the most important face down, which is the word, to show that the company is registered. I don't think. Okay, we are there. Let it load. Okay, so this is the document. Okay, legal information. I said it was a Westford Alliance Limited company yesterday, based in Hong Kong. Okay, so it's a Russian company, by the way, but their offices are in Hong Kong. Okay, so this is the registration copy. Okay, you can check this call during your investigation as well before you engage. Okay, so this is the road map of the company. They started in 2017 here. Company registration, start of product development. So this is the roadmap, tracing of market and conversation module in 17 as well. So this is it. Okay, this is the roadmap of the company of AI marketing. Okay, so this is it here. Okay, so now I will go briefly. I will show you how to get this. Okay, let me show you how to get this. So what's happening? Yeah, you go to YouTube here. This is YouTube. Okay, let me close this. I will show you. So just go to YouTube on the search area. What's happening? So you just go to YouTube. Here on the search area, you write AI marketing. So is it there? When you write it, you will see AI marketing MarketBot artificial. You click on it. Visiter le site. This is French. Okay, visiter le site means to visit the site. I click on it. Then I have the document. I have not the document will be down. So this is you see, you scroll down and you saw a download presentation. Okay, this is it. So let us listen, for this one a little, okay, and see what they're telling us again. Okay, this is iMarket. Yesterday you listened in a different one, today this is one you will listen. Let's enlarge it.
Shopping online? Get back a part of your money and earn on purchases made by people you've referred with AI.marketing. Online marketplaces pay us for customer leads, and we share our revenue with you. That is what we call cashback. So, how do you save? At AI.marketing, you will find over 20,000 online retailers in many categories. Select the desired online store in the catalog and place your order. A portion of the amount spent will be returned to you as a cashback. And look for the deals of the day in stores that offer increased cashback. And how can you profit? Advertise trending goods on social media or websites and get cashback for customer leads. Or invite your friends and get 5% on their cashback. Withdraw your cashback to a bank card or to multiple e-payment systems and spend it as you please. It's time to earn while enjoying your shopping.
So
Shopping
this is
online,
it.
get back a part of your money and earn on purchases made by...
So this is it. So in fact, so the AI marketing robot goes and do advertisement for us, as I said yesterday. And when the client buy the product, when the client buys the product, they bring us the money in form of cashback. Okay, so I will just go to the back office as well. When you register on INB network, you actually have access to AI marketing, and by logging in by registering in INB network, you have, it's like a two company. It's a branch of another company. AI marketing is a branch of INB work. So in INB work as well, you can have a lot of bonuses there as well that you can have if you develop your Aruzo properly. If you decide to develop your Aruzo to have a community, okay, to have a lot of download, you have a lot of advantage here as well. For example, here, this AI marketing, as you see the first icon there. So this is the market. Let's click on the market. For example, this is community offer. So it's more for community, for people who want to develop a community, a Aruzo, who are there to develop a Aruzo. Let's go to assets. For example, here, let me take it up. It's a bit let me change this. Yeah, this way is better. So you see assets here for people who have a huge community, a lot of downloads. So we have PRTN, which is actually $1 is equivalent to PR is to 1 PRTN, okay, and you have NBO as well that you can remove. You can remove this in terms of dollar anytime you want. And as your community grows, as you are downloading, people grow, you can have other bonuses. Okay, so let us go to AI marketing right now. That's what we are here today. I will just show you through the back office again. I need to change the language into English, and then always sign in with the brain icon, the blue white brain icon. Okay, this is the white and blue icon brain. I'm a robot. Just log in. Just bear with me a little. I don't want to do small, very long videos. That's why I decided to do this one before financing my robot now. Okay, just to show you how it's going up to now. This is only with the certificate gift I'm having right now. Okay, advertising budget is $50 means I'm still working with the certificate gift they gave me. Okay, so I already got $20.45 cashback. I'm already on 40.9% profit. Okay, so just imagine if I finance my robot now, I will bring in more cash. So this is what I have. You can see here your pending is 20.45. okay, I have zero cashback now because it's pending. So when I will see here $1 or $5 or $10 on your cashback, I can remove it now. The ad balance is zero because I need to finance my robot. Okay, I don't need I will not like to leave this $50 expire going to zero, because as far as my robo goes to zero, it will go off, it will not start working. But now it's working every day, 24 hours every day out of 7 days without any stop. Okay, so my advertising, this is what is happening here. You see here, increase budget. That's why we click to increase my budget. Okay, so you can see here, you click here, for example, you see on the 19th of the first day I got my first cashback was on the 19th. I got 2.25, and then I come here again, I click here on the 20th, I got 10.72 cashback in. Okay, why I got this, I will show you. Let me go to now my marketing or sale, no, my sale. I will show you. This is it. So this is the detail. So I have today, for example, Walmart, this aggregator is the iMarketing when an advertise a product which was sold at $38. The cashback rate was 1%. So this is my cashback that got $0.21. Okay, you see, this is for today. Okay, today's sale. So let's see, for example, the $7 I got. You see, the product was 257.8. The cashback rate was 5%. I got $7.09. Okay, so that day, if you see here on the 20th, I got 7.0209 and 3.63. That make it $10. Okay, 10 point something dollars. So these are the sales. Okay, these are the sales. So you click there and you see exactly for which company the robot advertise for. Okay, so this is where you click. For example, here it advertised for avrse.com and the product was 41.45. The cashback was 12%. I got 2.75, okay. So average pending time 22 days. So the status is still pending, as you can see. So I'm gonna receive this maximum, let's say in 22 days period. Okay, so that's here as well. If you check for this 7, the status is still pending and I will receive the money. Average payment time, the money which will come to me will be in 19 days. For now it's still pending, so that's why we see here pending. But when the cashback will be in, after when the 19 or 22 days we elapse, I will get my cashback here, which I can remove or which I can reinvest again to increase the ad balance. The more you have money for the more the robo, if the robo has a bigger amount of money, you can bring in higher cashback. Okay, so this, we check the cashback. So this is the cashback. Hey, I haven't, you see, it's still pending, so there's nothing here as cashback. Okay, I refer only one person already up to now. So this is the gift certificate I was talking about. That's the gift certificate working now. Up to now, this is the gift certificate working. But this one I cannot remove. If I decide to remove it, even I cannot remove the money until this gift certificate is taken by AI Marketing, because it's like a loan. So I'm not gonna take that money. That $50, this cashback back, if I have $50 here, my cashback, I cannot remove it because we go back to iMarketing. I just wanted to test it as well to see how it is before I invest. So right now I'm gonna top up my robot. This is where you top up the robot. So if you see, I have some trial here already. Top up story yesterday, the 19, the very, I started this business. Let's see the details. I started the business I registered on the 15. On the 19, I was trying to top up my robot, saying let me wait a little. So I started. So today again the Bitcoin is a bit low, and I wanted to do some top up my robot, but I said, oh, let me do this video, show you what's happening before I top up the robot. Okay, so this basically what is happening. The sale, we have checked the sale. These are the sale now in details. So no, the summary here. These are the sale. Okay, for today already, I already have one Walmart. This is the only cashback I got for today. So here, this is the detail. Now when you go to statistic, okay, here stats, they're just showing, you see, up to now 145 views, 70 visitors, 7 sales, from the 19 to today. From today to today, I have 7 sales, as you can see here. Today's date is not included because it's tomorrow. I will see the date haven't finished. Okay, So this is basically what is AI marketing. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show to you. So I mean, as I was saying, here in ENB network, this is like when you register in this AI marketing, it's like you are having two way to have money. You can have money here in ENB network and in AI marketing at the same time. But here, I think it depending according to what I listen to YouTube and what my sponsor the video is making. Here, you have money when you develop more a community. Okay, as you saw here, you know, my market. Okay, here you see community offer from company. It's more when you see when you develop a community, that's where you make more money. So iNet big work make you have two, let's say two back office, this one and AI marketing, as you can see here. Okay, so we're gonna stop here for today, and definitely do your own research, and this is a really good business. Okay, I have that feeling that this business is gonna be around for some time, so I just wanted to share this with you. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe not to miss the next video.